right, this is what I need you to do for muad. I need him to go to Clever. That's the blue square. And when you get there, it's going to ask you to log in with Active Directory. And then you're going to type in his S number and password in the box. It's on the back of his iPad. I have to do something different for mine, but that's how he would log in. And then it'll load. And you can get to most things that he needs from Clever. Touch the page that says Miss Isley's page. It's got a red owl. And you're going to look at something that looks like this. This is where you can get to Seesaw, you can get to our class Google Meets, Flipgrid, and this one with the robot is called Learning A to Z. So in there are some reading assignments for him. So when you touch on that, that's going to take him to a website. It's going to automatically log him in. He won't need any logins once he's in Clever. And then he should look for his name. It should automatically log him in. He should look for his name, and then he can find his assignments. Okay? I'm going to go back to Clever. And then I want you to look at ST Math. That's the one with the blue penguin. Those are math games. I'd like him to try and do those too. So do the math games. You click on it, it automatically logs you in, and it takes you to some math puzzles. He doesn't have to read, he just has to figure out the puzzles to play this game. So his is going to look different from mine. Mine's the teacher one. But ST Math has some math puzzles, and he has to figure out how to solve the puzzles. I think he'd be really good at that. There's also Epic for reading, and down here is something called eSpark. That's another thing that he could do on his own. There's some games and some different things for him to do. Again, mine looks different because I have the teacher version. But if he goes in there, he can either do reading or math, and he can do that all on his own. All right? And then the other thing I want you to do is the phonics activity in Seesaw. So if you go to Seesaw, find the phonics activity. And that is done.